Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening photos and selecting the picture. Make sure the image has a distinct subject. Once the image loads, press and hold the subject area. iPhone's machine vision begins isolating the subject automatically. If nothing happens, try tapping the subject edge or zoom in slightly to give the algorithm clearer detail. Make sure live text or visual lookup permissions are allowed in settings so the extraction can run. This gets you to the point where the subject lifts from the background. Once the subject lifts, you can drag it to another app, tap copy to paste into Notes or Mail, or tap share for immediate use. If edges look rough, choose Edit then Markup to erase stray pixels or smooth borders. Use a small brush and zoom for precision. For complex backgrounds, export PNG to a background eraser app and remove residual artifacts. Use Create Sticker in Messages for stickers. These steps let you refine quality and place the subject cleanly into any composition. Finish by saving or exporting the result as a PNG to keep transparency. If you paste it into another app, confirm background stayed removed. If extraction fails or is inconsistent, restart photos or reboot the iPhone, then try a different photo to rule out image issues. Make sure iOS is updated and visual lookup is enabled in settings. If edges remain jagged, use third-party background eraser tools for fine cleanup. This wraps up the removal and gives one reliable troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.